Okay, let's check the interior of this truck. If you'll notice, all the gaps are lined up correctly. The door opens and closes with zero effort, as does the other side. I mean, this thing was lined up and built correctly. Custom interior, we have a pleated door panel with pleated seats, matching steering wheel. I mean, this truck is cool. Carpet is in perfect condition. All new carpet put in. I could have washed the pedals up a little bit, but they're just a little dirty, could easily be wiped off. Dash looks great. There is a crack in the dash right here. There's also one more crack in the dash right here, just to keep that nostalgic look. All original gauges. Everything works. All gauges work. Due to the custom engine, the oil pressure gauge needs to be readjusted, but everything else works absolutely perfect. Gas gauge, like I said, the AC is a brand new AC system. Blows cold, absolutely. This is one beautiful truck.